So what do you think, guys? Do you think we actually use our Ryobi mower, or do you think that we we use it once and we're done? Take a look at this. So this was after mowing our last time in the wet grass. I've had this over 2 years. It's probably going on 3 years now, and we love it. We use a robot for our backyard, and then I use this for everything else. So as you can see, it's not a show queen. We put this to work. We have 2 different batteries. I recommend getting 2 batteries. I have to say, I love the fact that you can store a battery and wait. So when this one drains, we just swap it out. I love that. That was the most smartest thing Ryobi could have done. Guys, this is definitely my most favorite cordless lawnmower. Did I say vacuum before? I mean lawnmower that I've reviewed.